Here we are in line for Pooh. We just witnessed something pretty nasty. Oh, well, where is the camera? Oh, it's fine. People jumped the line at 7 Fourth, which was a mess. Dad's sending an email right now. So yeah. We're just here on the Pooh ride, hanging out. So we're here in Melbourne, Florida.
Melbourne.
It's cold as not outside. So we have the top up. What about Joey? Tensions are high here. We're trying to find something to eat. Kind of shady out, you know. I mean,
physically and feeling. Like, what do you call that? Like it's physically shady.
And mentally shady. Oh, did you see that policia? Okay, you know you're in Florida when there's a broken down car every 3 feet sitting along the highway. Just another day in Florida. My red is gonna be so radiating right now because when I get sunburned, I radiate. We drove over here with the top down and it was cold.
It was.
It was really cold.
I was freezing. My ears hurt.
And you know you're in Florida when everything just like looks a little tough. Like it's fine, it's just because it's like sun damage, you know what I mean? What else has happened?
You look a little sunburned.
Oh yeah, definitely sunburned. I'm definitely gonna have to be getting that After Sun super expensive bottle that I won't be able to take home with me, so that's gonna be a great argument at Walmart. What else is there to come? I mean, we didn't show any Disney, did we? Oh yeah, we did a little bit. We did a Pooh ride, but that might not be in the clip.
Okay, so
we just got.
Wait, I think I want to do a group interview. Okay.
Group interview?
Yep. Okay. So. Hi guys.
Hi.
Okay, so we just got done eating at what do we eat, guys? Island
Pavilion.
No.
In the
where did we eat?
Dockside Bar.
Dockside Bar.
A dock.
In Melbourne, Florida.
It
was pretty good.
Yeah.
Too dark though.
What do you guys have to say about it?
It was really good food.
I liked it.
Do you like it? Do you guys like your food?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, mine was tasteless, but that's okay.
I think that's what it's supposed to be like though.
Yeah,
Like
it's
it was
supposed to
like
be
it was
tasteless.
like within the like thing.
Yeah, it was good.
But
And I got to see the water while I was eating. That was good.
Yeah.
Right? You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
For sure.
We're all sunburned
Yeah, I need to go and get some Afterburn someday.
from
I should probably even get it tonight, but you guys
Disney
don't want to go.
and sit in a convertible.
You don't think that we can go now, huh?
Go now where?
To go get some Afterburn?
Yeah, there's a Walgreens over there.
24 hours.
I don't know.
Well, otherwise there's a Walmart 2 blocks away too.
I think this place
I mean,
kind of
it
shuts
just-
down early though.
It just smells like poop everywhere, and I just don't know how to feel about it.
Abby, but we knew.
Oh, I think it's the soap.
It's a soap?
No, dude. You have the
Alright, so it's next morning, and we are getting ready to leave out of our hotel. So we're getting ready to leave out of our hotel room, and we need to give a quick room tour. We have a late checkout at 2, and it's literally like 1:55. But here's our door. You walk in, and then there's the little TV area, fold-out bed me and Matthew slept on. This is our view out of this window. Pretty cool, pretty nice. There's a bay over there. And yeah, so that's pretty cool. A little table here, mini fridge. Here's like the vanity area with Matthew picking his face. Bathroom in there. Then we keep walking. Here's a bed.
Master Sweat.
And then out here is our
hurricane-proof door.
yeah. Then we have this balcony.
For the waves to come back.
Ew.
So yeah, this is kind of our view of the beach. We went walking on the beach today earlier. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. And then we're gonna head out and we're gonna go to maybe a state park and then head back to our house, our rental home. So see you then. So we're at the state park. We just left our hotel room.
Sebastian Inlet.
Late checkout. Fixing my hair. So we're at the Sebastian.
Zabby still looks like it's -2 out. She's gonna get her cup of coffee and sit down by the fire.
I would love to sit down by the fire.
Does not look like she's in Florida at all. So we just got back from using the restroom or two. There's the pier. Yeah, me neither. And this is like a lot bluer now that we're out. Those birds are vicious. Vicious.
Matthew, so how are you feeling about this so far? It's kind of a fun little park, right?
I think it's nice.
The water is beautiful, huh?
Yeah, definitely leave the link down below. But I don't know. Oh look, there's some more pelicans down there.
Yeah, let's just film down this way. It's pretty cool. People out in the water and stuff.
How do we get over there?
So Math, where are we at?
We're here. What are those signs? Ooh, signs. So we're here, you know, just taking a few pics real quick.
On the other half of the state park we were just in.
So actually, we're just headed out the door. We just got our Chick-fil-A for the second time. How about we just come over here? Don't mind the stretch marks, but check this out.
Oh, it's really warm. Oh,
Radiation.
Put a log on the fire.
Put another log on the fire. See that? See that? See that? That's what I'm talking about, folks. Florida life.